How to fix an iPhone that keeps restarting itself every few minutes or over and over. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, we're diving into a frustrating issue that many iPhone users are facing, the dreaded constant restarting. So if your iPhone keeps rebooting itself in every few minutes, you're in the right place. We've got you covered with effective solution. So, before we jump into the fixes, let's talk about why this might be happening. So, iPhone is an incredible device, but like any technology, it can run into problems. So, the restarting issue can be caused by either software glitches or malfunctions. So, to tackle it, you can go to your settings and then go to General. There you'll find software update. So make sure that your software is updated to the latest version. Sometimes software might also be the issue for the phone updating itself. So if you have updated software to the latest version, you must also check your power. So sometimes the battery percentage might not be shown on your device. So to show battery percentage, you'll have to go to the battery option on your settings, and then you can see the battery percentage. Make sure that it is toggled on. If you toggle it off, you cannot see any percentage on your battery. So make sure that you have the battery percentage toggled on and keep track. And sometimes if the battery starts getting low, then try to plug it into a charger as soon as possible. Sometimes low battery can also be the issue, and a simple charge is all it needs. And then, if you have any external accessories like your headphones and your AirPods connected, then make sure you disconnect it first, go to Bluetooth, and then make sure your Bluetooth is toggled off and disconnect all the devices. Sometimes those devices might also be causing issues. And then so if the problem persists, then you might need to force restarting a device. Sometimes restarting a device also goes a long way. Just hold the volume up button and power button at the same time, and you will see the slide to power off option. Just do that and restart the device. I hope one of these solutions helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.